Cruise Terminal 8, Phase 2. This is a Doug Wilson Enterprise project for just under $3 million. We are working on a couple of key components that were deferred from Phase 1. One of those we're highlighting in this upper right-hand photo. That is shot inside of a new pier-side restroom. So it's not a guest-facing restroom. It's for dock workers and stevedoring workers. So that is panel systems been installed on the walls. We still have to put up the partitions and the sink and the other fixtures, but there'll be 2 brand new pier-side restrooms for all the dock workers to use out there. That third bullet point down, interior finishes are ongoing on the new concierge expansion. So we added about 1,400 square foot to an existing part of the structure for a total area of just over 2,700 square foot. That would be for their concierge space. We are awaiting what's called cow wall, and I'll show you exactly what that is in the next photo. It was supposed to be here yesterday and today. The truck broke down in Georgia, so it's going to arrive tomorrow. It will be installed next week. The new glass windows, those have been delivered. They're in the subcontractor's warehouse. We're just waiting on a less windy day to install those windows. And then new low voltage wiring does continue in the CBP area. So that cowl wall is a translucent panel, and it's been part of the terminal since its inception in 1998. And it is here in the clear story up above and adjacent to the new area. That's existing cowl wall. It's translucent fiber-based panel. And we're just waiting on the cowl wall that's going to complete this area here. And that glazing, the new windows are going to be installed in this area. And it's going to give concierge guests a view of the vessel, some of the pierside activity as well. Here's the view from the other side. This is the new passenger boarding bridge from Adelte. The existing passenger boarding bridge used to connect in this area right here. We've closed that off. It's now part of that concierge experience. And you can see a difference in the roof line. This little triangle right here, that's the new space, the new expansion, and this was the existing roof line, and all of that now is dedicated for concierge.